Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make garlic brown butter roasted beef tenderloin. This is a special occasion dish that is sure to wow people. And the best part is, it's surprisingly easy to make. You will, of course, need a 5 to 6 pound beef tenderloin. This is the same cut as filet mignon, and if you'll notice, mine is all tied with kitchen string, which was done by my butcher. You'll need that for best results. Just ask your butcher to tie it for you. However, if you buy this from somewhere like Costco, you will need to tie it yourself. It's really easy. There will be a long, flat, thin end. Just tuck it underneath so it's the same thickness all the way through and wrap it up. I like to mix my seasoning together first, so you'll need 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and then I also add in 1 teaspoon of white pepper. I'll give this a quick mix. You want to season your roast quite generously, so I'll sprinkle some on, kind of pat it in, and rotate it so I season the entire roast. Now, once that's seasoned, you'll preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna sear this roast on the stove. I'm using cast iron today, so I can slide this directly in the oven. You want to heat your pan until it is smoking hot. Then we're gonna add our tenderloin in and sear it on all sides. I let it sear for about 3 to 4 minutes per side before rotating. Once it's all seared, we're gonna transfer it to the oven. If you are not using a cast iron pan, you will switch this to a roasting pan, or even a 9x13 pan will work as well. So we'll slide this directly into the 450 degree oven to finish cooking. It will take about 30 minutes for it to reach the correct internal temperature for medium rare, but it's important that you use a meat thermometer to ensure 100% accuracy. You're looking for 120 to 125 degrees. We'll check the temperature here real quick. You want to go for the very center of the roast, and look at that, we're ready to pull it out. Remove the roast from the oven and let it rest tented with aluminum foil for 10 minutes. The meat will continue to cook and the internal temperature will rise by about another 10 degrees. While that's resting, we'll make our garlic brown butter sauce, which is super simple. You'll need ½ cup of butter, and you want to melt this in a little saucepan, along with 4 whole cloves of garlic. Let the butter continue to cook over medium heat until it begins to bubble and foam. You can give it a little swirl now and then. The garlic is going to infuse our butter with a little bit of garlic flavor. Now, somewhere beneath all this foam, you need to be able to see the color of the butter. And as soon as it turns a golden brown, you'll want to remove it from the heat and pour it into a heat-proof container like a liquid measuring cup. And you'll want to fish out the little cloves of garlic and remove them from the butter. After the roast has had a chance to rest, we'll remove it from the pan and we'll slice. Look at that, a perfect medium rare. Remove the kitchen string as you slice off pieces. I like to do about 3/4 of an inch slices, and then you'll drizzle with this garlic brown butter as you serve it.